Hey guys, this is going to be sizes 0 to 3T. I got Finding Nemo playing in the background, so sorry about that. I'm going to start off with number 1. It's going to be 6 to 9 months. This little gingham shirt. There you go. With this little sailor shirt. And these are going to be both for $12. That's 6 to 9 months. There you go. All right, and number 2. This is going to be 17. These are 12 to 18 months. First one is going to be this vintage Big Bird pullover. It's in fair vintage condition. Really awesome. There you go. That's number 2. Number 3. Also 12 months, it's 2 sweaters, both for $17. This was born in the USA. Is that funny? Got that one and this one. That's gonna be both for $17, and that's number 3. These are in good vintage condition. This one has a little pocket. All right, number 4. This is 18 months. I don't know what happened to my 18 months marker. Number 4, 18 months. This is vintage Faded Glory jacket, Sherpa. This one is 22. There you go. Super cute. Really warm. Pretty thick. And that's 22. All right. Number 5 is going to be another Masters of the Universe tee. This is 2 to 3T. This is number 5, and this one is 27. This one has lots of piling, or pilling. I keep calling it piling, but it's pilling. There you go. But no holes or stains. Pretty good condition. There you go. All right. Next one is going to be 17, and it's number 6, and it's another Big Bird, and it's 2 to 3T. That's number 6, 17, 2 to 3T. There you go. Super cute. Remember, you guys could bundle and save, and I get discounts the more you buy. There you go. Now these prices are not the bundle prices. Add $5 for shipping, but if you get 2 or more items, it is the price that I have here. All right, this is going to be all for 0 to 3T. Next is going to be toddler boys. All right, bye.